Where are we going today? Let's read off to school. The special word in this story is the word toe. Say it. I go to my school. I go to my school. I go to my teacher. I go to my teacher. I go to my cubby. I go to my cubby. I go to my friends. I go to my friends. We go to circle time. We go to circle time. We play outside. We play outside. Going to school is fun. Going to school is fun. Now it's your turn to try. I will turn the pages and be quiet. Look at the words and read. Give it a try. When you see the purple flower bounce, it's your turn to read. Good reading. Now let's review what we read. Use the words on the page to answer the questions. Remember the word toe. Read this. Where is this? It says I go to my school. Read this. What does it say? It says I go to my friends. Read. What are they doing? It says we go to circle time. Excellent. You've just earned a sticker. Remember the special word in green in this story. Toe. Let's play a game. I will show some words. And you have to find the word toe, like this. Find the word toe. Toe. One more time. Find toe. Toe. Thanks for reading with me. Let's read again soon. Subscribe to practice more reading.